In front of me, I have the Ghost Eye of wireless transmitters and receivers. The director can be listening to audio, watching the video during shooting as well as during playback with no noticeable latency.
The Cinegears Ghost Eye overall experience was very good.
And move it wherever the hell I want to move it. Because it's light, it's portable, and it works.
Hi, we're using the Cinegears wireless video transmitter, so I can watch it live, high definition.
This has been working real nice. It's smooth.
Very good.
My name's Chris McKechnie, and I have to say the best bang for your buck in terms of range, quality, and price is the Cinegears.
No, the Ghost Eye is the way to go.
This Ghost Eye is great. We're 20 feet into the forest and we still got the shot.
It's never let us down. It doesn't lose the signal, and that's the important thing.
Range outside is excellent. It's really good. Range inside through walls and obstacles is also good.
I think that the Ghost Eye is a no-brainer. It's been rock solid. It's gone out in other productions.
Hello guys, my name is Tom Antos. There is already a lot of obstacles, as you can see, a lot of Wi-Fi and cell phone tower kind of, interference, and still the signal is perfect.
When President Donald Trump made his visit to see President Xi in Beijing, Ghost Eye was there to capture the event and wirelessly transmit the signal that would be broadcast live across the world.
This is Sukh Sangeda. They're amazing and really good quality. It was great experience, and thank you Cinegears.
So I just tested the Cinegears Ghost Eye. It's pretty good. It held up. I thought it was good.
I've been using Cinegears wireless transmitter. It's a really good product.
My name is Rubidium. I went with the Cinegear Ghost Eyes unit. They have awesome build quality, awesome electronics.
It worked absolutely flawlessly for me. They've worked great.
This is Gil with IPGRentals.com. He actually did end up going quite a far distance. We didn't start losing signal even a little bit until about 1,200 meters, which is the equivalent of just over half a mile.
El Ghost Eye puede transmitir una señal de 1080 hasta 60 cuadros por segundo.
Ghost Eye wireless video transmitters. I'm a big fan of these.
If you're looking to add a wireless video system to your camera rigs, I would recommend it. I've actually used the Cinegears system. They've all worked great over long-term, real use on a film production.
With the transmitter assembled on a boat out on the water, the signal will still be recognized by the receiver and display crystal clear picture with zero latency back on shore 2,500 meters away.
The Cinegears Ghost Eye series transmission kits do a great job at displaying the live feed from your drone.
Hey, I'm Scott. Cinegears Ghost Eye, and I think it's going to be a great option for a lot of people.
Okay, that's a cut. Okay, great. Excellent.
As a jib operator, I no longer have to run BNC cable because I got the Cinegears. Hi, I'm Cliff Hokinson, Director of Photography, Steadicam Operator. Did the Cinegears wireless on set, and it works really good. What do we have? Why do you think?
Solid, which is very different from a lot of transmitters, which are every now and again we have good video.
I'm Rob Adatui. But thanks to the fact that we're using Ghost Eye wireless transmitter receivers and me never losing sight of the action, the actors, and the scene that was taking place.
I love it.
We're enjoying them.